God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Birthmas Day 2. So thank you for those who clicked on this video. If you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey boo, what's up, what's popping? As you guys can see by the title, today I'm gonna be doing a full face full of Dollar Tree makeup or dollar makeup, and I'm actually super excited. I wanted to do this video for a really long time, but I just never got around to doing it. So now is the time to do it. As you've seen in my previous vlog, I got some of my stuff from Dollar General, Family Dollar. I don't really have a Dollar Tree by me, but I made sure that I got the most cheapest of the cheapest. And I'm not talking about in quality, I'm talking about in dollar form, because let me tell you something. Just because something is cheap in numbers does not mean that the quality is bad. So if you are interested in this video, just make sure that you keep on watching. So first things first, I'm going to be using the LA Girl, well, excuse me, not LA Girl, LA Color Dip Brow Pomade, and it comes with the spoolie. This is the color dark brown, and I'm also going to be using the concealer to conceal my brows. Honestly, I feel like it's gonna eat, to be honest. I feel like it's pomade. It can't be that bad, right? It just can't be that bad. I love the little spoolie, so I'm just gonna brush my brows up a little bit. I'm gonna add my own edge control so I can lay my brows down. This is just how I do that. I need my brows to stay in place, so this is definitely a part of the process. All right, so now that the brows are down, I take this pomade. Oh, look at how small it is. Do my brows. Oh, this is actually really dark. I like it, I like it. Okay, so first impression, it's really smooth, which I like that. We love a good smooth pomade. Now we just really have to see how it lasts all day. That's really where the real review comes from. I feel like it's not bad. I love dark brown, like not black, because my brows are already naturally black. I always recommend never going with black. Okay, so far this is what my brows is looking like. I brushed them up a little bit. So now I'm gonna use the LA Colors concealer, and I got the shade Honey Beige. So hopefully it's not too light, but we gonna make it work. So first impression of it, it's definitely like more on a loose side. Like I like my concealer to have a bit of a thick consistency, but we never know, it might be better on the face. I don't know, it's like really loose. But let's see, we're not making no judgments just yet. Okay, so the eyebrows is eating. Like I said, I'm not really too fond about like the consistency of the concealer, but we're gonna see how it eats on my face. But now it's time for eyeshadow. So I'm gonna set my lids with the same concealer, put some powder on it, and then we're gonna really move into the eyeshadow. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this LA Colors eyeshadow palette, and I thought this eyeshadow palette was so cute. Love these colors over here. So I'm gonna dip into this shade right here. Let's see how vibrant it is. Okay. Actually has like, actually very vibrant for it to only be $1 or $2. Definitely has some pigment going on. I'm going to use this purple-like shade and just go right under. Okay, so this is kind of like a maroon color. It's not bad. Bear with me, y'all. I'm using my phone right now to record, but in the future, like the next few videos, you're gonna see the quality change. I'm gonna have my camera back, okay? My baby is, she coming back. So I like that the colors blend out pretty smoothly. Okay, so now I'm gonna dip into this nice little gold shimmery shade, and this is gonna go on my lid. Ooh. So far the eyes, they're looking pretty good. The colors are holding up. So now I'm gonna add that little pizzazz, and I'm gonna add the LA Colors liner. Eyeliner is literally what's gonna bring a whole look together for me in my preference. Like a natural beat with the eyeliner eats a beat that's glam with a liner just eats. Okay, because one thing about me, my eyeliner is always gonna eat. This is how the eyes are looking so far, which I'm actually super satisfied about it. Now, as far as primer, I could not find no primer, y'all. So I'm gonna stick with my primer that I know, and that's my good old e.l.f. And then we're gonna move on to the foundation. Now I'm gonna go in with the LA Colors foundation, and this is in the color Cocoa. Now, honestly, I don't know. I feel like this looks a little bit too bright. I really hope this matches, because if not, we're going to have to bronze it around and make it look like something. Ooh. It's too bright. I could already tell. Now we got to bronze. For sure, we have to bronze. I would say like the undertone. I feel like if the undertone was warm, it would have worked. I don't know if y'all could really see that it's actually a little brighter than my face. Like, it's not super bright, but it's definitely bright. I don't know if my phone is really picking that up, but you can see it's bright. We're gonna make it work. We're just gonna add some bronzer so that it can just like melt in and look a little bit better. Okay, so bronzer definitely came through and saved the day, so I love that. Now we're gonna go and we're gonna highlight under the eyes, do all the parts that need to be concealed. And this is really the part that I was really waiting for. I really wanna see how this concealer is gonna actually hold up on my face. When my concealer sits and set, I usually like to add the blush and then blend my blush out. I have been using liquid blush, but this is supposed to be $1 full-on dollar full face. So I'm actually going to use the eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna choose like the orangey shade that I have on my eyes. And I'm just going to substitute this as a blush, being that I did not find a blush. So now it's time to blend the concealer. So let's see what it's hitting for. So I'm gonna add like another layer and let that sit so that I can have like more coverage. I'll just let it sit a little longer. So while the concealer is sitting and setting, we're also gonna use the same eyeshadow palette to do a lip liner. Like I said, y'all, the stores that I was in, it was very limited, not really much lip liner. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm thinking about using either this orange or this purple. I think I'm gonna go with the purple. Let's blend out this concealer one more time. It's pretty much the same result. Okay, you guys, so as for the powder, like I said, I did not have any powder from the dollar store, so I just added some of my, full face powder. And like I said, it's pretty okay. Now I'm just gonna add the lipstick, this LA Color lipstick, and this is in the shade Latte. So like I said to y'all before, it's really giving full face of LA Colors, but this is most of the stuff they had that was like in the dollar range. You know what? I'm not gonna lie. For dollar lipstick, it glides on like butter. Okay, you guys, so here is the finished look. So let's really talk about it, even though I was like basically talking to y'all about it throughout the video. But like overall, the face eats. Let me just say that. The look eats, okay? You would not even know that I got a full face full of dollar products. So it's definitely not always about the product. It's definitely technique, okay? Technique over products, because if you know what you're doing, you could definitely do your big one. Let me just say that. For one, love the eyebrow pomade, the bomb. I feel like it glides on really nicely. The eyeshadow is super pigmented, which I really like that. Go ahead, LA Colors, like you did your big one. One thing that's not my fave at all is this concealer. I do not like how loose it is. I like my concealer to be like super full coverage or snatched, or even if I have a medium coverage, that's fine, which this one is that. But it's really the thickness. It doesn't really have any thickness to the concealer like how I would like it to be, so it's not really my fave. The lipstick, bomb, glides on amazing. Okay, foundation was not my color. It wasn't super off, but foundation wasn't my color, but we definitely made it work. I don't love and I don't hate the foundation at the same time. I have dry skin, so I would say when I put it on, it felt dry. So maybe it's like on a matte side. It doesn't say it on the bottle, but it's on the matte side, I would say. And as y'all seen, I had on my e.l.f. hydrating primer. So definitely felt like my face felt like really dried out, so definitely not my favorite. But let me just say, the face eats. So if you're a person where you're just starting out in makeup, or even if you're in makeup and you don't really have, you know, enough money to get the products, let me tell you, go to Dollar General, go to Family Dollar, and if you actually have a Dollar Tree by you, go to Dollar Tree and see what they have there. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you guys give this a like, subscribe, comment, and share. Let me know what y'all think of this look. Let me know how y'all think I did. And like I said, comment some video ideas down below, because this is about to be just an amazing, eventful month. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.